Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shehab Uddin Rahim and welcome back to another interesting video. So today I want to share you amazing AI tool which can help you to make presentations. And I think this AI tool is better than Microsoft PowerPoint. So without any talking, let's get started. At first, we will go to Google Chrome browser. Then search Gamma. Then click on this website. So this is the website. Then scroll down and click on this there. Sign up for free. Then click on continue with Google. Then click on which account do you want. Then done. Then they will ask some questions. So your first question is, how do you plan to use Gamma? For work, for personal use, for education. So I choose for personal use. Then what kind of work do you do? Consultant, creator, data, design, engineering, finance, HR, or other. So I choose other. Then what do you plan to do with Gamma? Not sure yet. Then how did you hear about this us? I choose YouTube and you have to choose YouTube. Then done. So there are three options: paste in text, generate, import file, or URL. So what is this paste in text? Paste in text means you have to give a text, then they will make a presentation. And generate means you have to give a prompt, then they will make your presentation. And import file or URL means you have to give a file or URL, then they will make your presentation. So today I will show how to generate a presentation. So click on here, then write a prompt like make a presentation about AI. After write a prompt, they will generate outlines. They will write 8 outlines, and if you want, so you can add more outlines, like 2 outlines. And if you want more, so you have to pay for it. Then themes. There are not just 6 themes, there are a lots of themes, and if you want more themes, so you have to click on there, view more. Then a lots of themes there are. Then choose a theme. Which theme do you like? So I choose this or not, or this. Okay, this theme is great, I think. Okay, this theme is great, I think. So I choose this and select theme. Then amount of text per card. They're brief. Brief means short sentences, and medium means a few concise paragraph, and detailed means multiple detailed paragraph. And I choose detailed because I need this. And then image sources. So stock photos, web images, AI images, illustrations, and animated GIFs. So I choose AI images, and then image style. So image style is professional. Then AI image model, I choose Imagen 3 fast. Yeah. Then generate. Now they will make your presentation. It's working. Oh, it's done. And just look the photos or pictures. The images are super cool. And if you want, so you can edit full presentation. This presentation is customized by AI. If you want, so you can add text, you can add images, you can add videos or media, and you can add charts or diagrams. Then click on present or full screen. Just look the presentation. Amazing presentation. So I think you understand why I said this AI tool is better than Microsoft PowerPoint. So I think you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, so please like this video or subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more videos. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.